tuanchanire mono nkarangana we can't exit close in 2003 ile katwachaka ngaliyo bungaini ngaliyo mosike ya moswako to yanga gasingusana kwa just game katanga pa konseli kando PDP ngabeke bungaini amoswako akaprove game PDP ngabeke mosike nyarange na chairman kando pinde as the 4 people kera I didn't know na rojenga dai inchera ngoma mbaza ngoma imorembe kwenye banyangire and they were too overwhelming. So karana ika wucho moyo bushu ne kagusa ko grow ye for referendum. Ngoso edimu referendum mali
orange banana.
Orange banana. Tukamnyoka sana igageria. Ngaranga no na renga no.
No yebona yajete yabwate
litunda. Ikero ye kamalia amande valenga se banana to the or any tunda. Why don't you change this forum into a party? Ekapaboigo. Una yaba pronounce the muna nimbwate PDP lakini ngaranga tinge mwana utako kwa tigara anasema bona to sokoro kigeza kwa tukulimo tukagasana bona mpeke the PDP back bana katokoro so DM mata ba usi frankly ntwala kuchamara bagara and it was a traditional wasa mambo alengaro na machaya pako moko mitanda tinga tako tikaya anga kibono kwachiko no chiago ntwana kusanga mbo ngati kana temege ndege mwantu wegire sanga kia kisasa musema ngora kwa so ujime kinga yabi ndebya kore yabe ngakia chiko mubye ngomanyanga ngongoso ujima alia nganyora ngaudi ya to the acceptance ngatinga kwende PDP back banner. That's how Richard came with the PDP. Kana bia tu mera mo ino. No nya gora kongo ndanga ta di na ngai ta tanga ta di ba be briefcase parties. Ge briefcase ya mokonye da ka ale bunga ya roma ta. Ato ro kana ngese se nyonga ya mo sani ora mbona ngora mbro ngese se nyonga sani one. Ndanga ya ngente kana yo chaya. Ira na kana gia kurete mo ana bono ngora mbona kire nga cha ajira ne ma. Tongore te ngente ka ka ngente. So PDP. So, ekero banya banchire kyama ga ODM, pono ngaranga tiaga bera la kido jingia konyete. Ngarwe through passing aki kanda ODM moina, yangu moina alia. Era ga cha ne kyama kiria. So, ekero bagi anjira na ingatoko kana be front runner man. Abantu bana bakubodo nga mbale kwegena ngani yara go merinde
audi ani se ko for the people
ya so ngesiko moina mo ka ya buje no hali no jide tade machi sare ngari so ndanga anda my colleagues pale mena ndanga mose inde kama no kero kindo zinga kwa sirire kya au ngakyura pingo mwaka ni muzikete ni amzo yasinye ko sikete ko so ama ade nje ngweri ngelinde wale bukungo tabe na ki tiako bavuguvugu you are either cold or hot mwana kabi yasinye diganga na moina nende kantenga bono ayebo twakora mavera kapata neema ya Bwana iko. I went by faith. So, and for sure that time I was another dog and Mzee was a big name so luckily ngase kamera kutira njai my dream yani yadenga kande zero isako grow 1 point up that's a positive iko na amuru narushi 1 point kwa sababu valia so kaita kanaiga ndo etananda sengazi by that grace ODM kana chukura more than 65% increase etana cover since independence. Later on what happened was bagatamuna bakolete so ngawa swaime bitebru kana yaba bakarosia tukarosia coalition government unaona jangoro ranga machana na sebusi you know na kolile bune na le egudo kana bine ngao umaitengarema na number 7 ase akia Pentagon akeroko li Pentagon saba na number 7 na arrange 1 2 3 4 and number chipaka between 1 and 10 ejectro reserved nan montako number nani ntako decide bono ngira ndi ODM number 7 inko era reserved for me ko gari mo ambi baka ngalo Kongo ende bora baka bete yarenge coalition government era ka 50% na kibaka tena 50% ngama ka half of the 50. So one and a quarter minister.
Okay, 25%.
Even no, a quarter minister. One was gonna go to the 50 minister, 50% minister. But then Kamaigo, Gasabna the seminar for trade. The key thing in Jim within a area, a petition at that time. Now I have a petition area. I got about 10,000 votes. My number 2 petition Manson had about 5,300. In Gatabanga, you were right at Bara. Kumbega nebe Kengoli. Bakabara actually can more than what I got. Musinga Katanga Juguru Juma did were commerce and they were not credible for a by election. Why boss? In actually 11,000 was the same as 4,800 according to mathematical Musinga. And that's why I think you should know that Kamaramboro Bakakorebia Sarabong, one team where Yanegas Baga. Most of the 4 people fraternity all went home. Bakayari Bagamos, Bakambaraga, Baga, and about the Bukusi, Mandaba, Guru Bakalanji, Michiba, Badogano, Nakariwaka, one of us to Gaita,
any by election,
by election year 2010, mentioned a couple of Jube, Ugango. Since that time I'm out here, and I'm extremely happy, man, because God has been gracious to me.
One of Koruabu 2010, to cheat to Ragangarande Kabumujumbe.
I thought like the Burundi Garasoga 2013, Karanga Gamondegende, Ganga the county. And the Bonona again, and your bed and you never go in your bed and give you a house. Again, of course, the wars are going to by election. Remember, sorry, before I finish, during my by election now, ODM also, now I had several wars to fight. For the people of fraternity have regrouped against me, and they had to revenge. In Kisi, they were saying this boy is growing too fast, too soon. He must be contained. I said, thank God, I grew too fast and I made an impression when it lasted. I thank God. But the old folks, the senior politician in Kisi, thought I was growing too fast. They had also to work against me in terms of mantle of courage. That time it was sorry Naruto. I mean, and he was a minister for agriculture and the assistant minister, and we used to work a lot of good things together. Now, can I give to my scandal? Injira Makonya then Kamuruja. The other more president, as a president, I was a boy, but I was no Jamus to Munu Grama, give it to Mango Mosbare, Kamakonya P. Karana Moga said the mono. But you must tell you,
essential motion.
Kabisa. He do much to Kamakonya. So, right another one, you see, there's a clan war, there is a Kiss Region Supremacy war, there is a party war. But Nandigo nationally, Nandigo DM. They don't trust me too well because I was about a member. And I think as a Moguaria, I can have a petition I get successful. ODM did not want to give me a ticket. Actually, Makwere, Gachaleta, Pagatanga in Matuga, we have a candidate, Manyoa. Now they get later. In Chinatanga to go by the petition, Nganyete, Nantura, your Roman candidate, and I'm national treasurer. Ngabatenga, Batinga, keep it. Keep it. Now you see, Nakonya Rudo, Tata get it. You got a thing at Tuta sink.
Nanyota Rudo and Gokina and getting a kid.
Guna Renge, born in the Garanamuchanamokonya Yakina, one of my Tonjibir. I can never just a very. So you check it, Joseph. I said was number 2. Well, ODM now was fighting ODM. Yachakambua with Ramanson. I can ODM number 3. I actually felt nice. So 2013. And Gatabatigona constituency, the upper thing, Gaswa, Gatakobodio was senator. Indeed, Osi, and I must thank them on camera that they have trusted me all this time, Pacarero, because I got 11,000 votes.
2013.
PDP alone, 2017 nane ngana PDP nganyana 124 10% increase.
Gradual increase.
Ebono ubwanjini bosani ubuno utokora nsabona. 2017 ngakora ki sama soldanga inye. Bato ndango mingo takomyoka yebuyaka. Takomyoka yebuyaka bono liye team. Omate ngatika bonyakira kwa PDP. Ngamnyoka ngati yangonyo musikiruto. Katenga ngati Ruto William Mr President sir. Deputy bili ngumaro kabira. Utale kwa chande kama kalima to sio kalima to kona guys in the coalition. Akana umete that's to and I trusted him. Ngatika mosenga so aime. Wana so amaria. Wono ngonyo yanga naende. Igabu hata bamba simas mafia tu. Paka jigande paka bono wajibu hata maskati yo bona namono. Naende utoko banga babangura. Ngubuli ngaende I like order myself. The boss iga we don't be right. Naende nyango chikuria gurwe kikira watu kanya mota milepi wakati ndio bose nebo governor. I even crafted a team.
Yeah.
Because Ogamba was my deputy. This Kengo Nyambane was my senator. I was looking for women rep to complete the deal. But I don't know what I'm chile. Ganda changing in order I get the abunto go to Krasnya, but I want to get the I can't get the India. Because you got to India, and we are running away from not being a lone ranger. You must form a team. Labanonga Gamase Jubilee, so Burakana. Gonna take the game vacant. Bada water as a leader, but he was so important he couldn't fly. He didn't even register as a member. That's why PDP performed very badly last elections. Before elections, they had it over the terms about 15. And it was about being advised conveniently again. The team was also I don't stress within. Towards the tail end, in fact, I had wanted to quit. That I said, no show. And indeed, quite a number of people were saying, it doesn't matter where you are, we need your leadership here. Jubilee, it didn't work. I'm sorry, Obura didn't take off because of Simba's onslaught. You are the deputy governor, you have to check yourself. The deputy governor for Obura, you're in the treasury. Baka was also not a politician. The lady was also a new horn. Obura, who was supposed to be team leader, was caged forever. I actually ran even a more singular race than that I did in 2017. Surprise.
On paper you were a team, but
zero. Surprise, the best vote ever. I got 135,000 votes. And for you know I won. This is not a joke. But I suffered local political wars. There were two nemesis in Kisii, and without missing words, fact, they were eyeing Raila's attention. If he becomes president, who becomes minister? One was serving in government, one was a former governor. So the one who was serving government had more muscle and money. Boss, he terrorized us the last minute.
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyukuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati ande umsialia utagete showroom yeito nigo engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate team Tembo abo bagokora emirimo ase showroom yega babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania nabo igo chogotebereria kende gionsi uraganie bagotebereria company ya Mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingencho ao ayuare ye chikala ao nabo igo ayubo igabwate chi profile net gauges ao unabono babwate normal corrugated nabo igo box corrugated asibe igo babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asa mabati ali aye chigage emerongibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross nabo igo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko nabo igo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue nabo igo na green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi bwo igo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya sigika ayo uchane warrant nabo igo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Ouru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Ouru Complex imiyumucho yigo musongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom wigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Ase ogo design, print, nabo igo brand, gwakero chibiche, nabo igo videography, KC Printing Hub, KPH, nintwe abanyankongo asorongo iriga, incho KC Printing Hub, asokoro saligwa chibana chonsi, chibane chirorabo sebana chinde chonsi, chisignages, chibane cha 3D, nintu number AMO. Ogo apply chi passport, nabo igo chi visa, ogo print, ne korosi chi diary, chi t-shirt, chi hoodie, chi kobia, amaburi, chi reflector, ebikombe, chi wristband, amo nechi chuba chi amache, as graphic designing, as chi poster, chi flyer, funeral programs. Kerotadari kweba chi magazine, ajirago cha eger toko konya nka intogo toka, ase mitandao tonyore buna KC Printing Hub, ase ogo cha aschebeshito, Tori Sansara Complex Center First Floor kusotwa Kresimi ase namba 0727 026368 use 0115 541502 KC Printing Hub KPH. We are the best. Why choose the rest?
Yosemo Distributors nabonya baya asebinto ao ebyobire ebyekene na ebikerano mbabwate ebinto byamugondobu na chimbusuro chiriye tembo Duma 6213 DK777 Bioneer na Bana 691 Wego KH500 nechinde chinyenge mbabwate Glyphosate gose Roundup amaliogo yokurabia na koburuga eliogosimeka lyoka otalikolema na amuyo yechinyencho ao kurwa ase chikambani ao boigo mbabwate chinyeke nechindagira ao chietugobuna Max Milik na Big Feeds amangana mayanaya Yosemo Distributors ni goboigo bakurwa obosemia bwoboleme kurwa ase abamanyi boboleme bosakegema inyora amaguli yabo nigo ali aya insekegema ase bintu byekene utanyore ande onsi nabo okubanyora aso obokoreri bwabo ase chinsagyo ao buna Kisi, Keroka, Kirgols na Bungoma Imiakisi niko bagutuka anyene roundabout ya KTRH gusekisi Teaching and Referral Hospital ase bara yenye gitari asamange bakire esimi ase number 0791-444-734 gose 0791-444-732 Josemo Distributors asubwa bolemi nobotuge.
Gerali kalimunandese enseme ya mwali kigima ya morobolisiko ya bisi asitogande kugamba amo n'umujumbe mutangani kigima bwe bunge ya South Mugirango omurayi bwe kiama kia PDP na boigo oyoberega kuligero kyo basenatase county ya Kisii kurwaso mwaka bwe mechi bubere na 13 omosike omingo magara asikanya twekere ligotogande kuligero linga biria gante gukora isiko gambire bikuru 2013 koikabona ga 2025 ko 2013 ko 2010 wekara rwete bunge weka 2025 nanga batokuligereria mange na bono umweshimiwa bonegese twekere tokuligereria ingikerio gukora bonega ngwatemeko kwera sabiri kwa biri gukora kerio gukora bonega mnatoliga bonega na kerio bangete gukora mambe na mambiende ko mwana siasa yero mate bana sembali kuta rais ni matenga 2027 yara na bora nyako pwate sabende yote na bokoya kwanera ninga ngikegendrete
ya bono karo mnandesika nimbwate company go Accountability Institute Limited eko kora mangana ya obosomya mangana governance woteneri ubuya na oborokereria abantu sensera sensema ya management na ntobwate gasinto gukorera togora training sensema ya oversight counties na county assemblies we train about committee work, oversight, and parliamentary positions and programs. You know, to accommodate, and that's an experience to buat. Mono na ende to buat same to kora revenue enhancement strategy. But me knowledge area na revenue authority. Inchi na ngo mutanga ngo chaka Kakamega County Revenue Agency eyono kere company kere county ngokora a small KRA equivalent in the county ikere bona abantu ba motivated bakanubuya banyoje ba babulie ba barusie bangobuya na ba banyore ngeri yabo muna KRA gokora so tugatabanga Kakamega ngende kibono ga it's playing out very well to what the company to and the director the chairman of your board ko Reftech Innovations Limited ne ko koraga sia ko helping raising revenue to counties by doing three things. Ditangani ko kurusia bango ko ikonyo to make abantu bakaba motivated the people face of that agency but ko ibera mayanga boss ngadi ndo bako muri mutinyengia bako ba sangire bango. Number 2 ko collect data ikogero chikumanyanga ensema ngai account gete fulani kwa manyanga nkigira ali account yeli aso chikurusia bango. That's called data collection. Ya gatatu to manyakora na automation. So this is a 3-phase program of what about people phase. You give them information and data to populate and do collect revenue. Come I will digitize that collection and cashless. Kero matter is akidoko boko iwato temptation chinyinge. So that's what we do. Beyond that, ningora industry real estate. Kakora development ibinyo mbega soko nyora kalete kwa soka. Lakini naende nimbo at passion asobodo nkwichombe. Inkulisi de chombe ende. Ekyagala bono tokumacha to
nani kwa kalisi chombe kwa
ekuruko na kalisi chombe nani skuru nduru ngatende kaswa sefa mugarabura si chombe igona bondo chenga it is a passion and a hobby at the same time. That's I think what I do as outside politics. And then of course ngurarangirwa kwana nabantu bandega some motivational talk that they want to bakomenya outside parliament because abasani bana bange Sabari bare ime bono bao kanga kakero kudinge kuruo. I am telling them, those ones who brag, it too shall pass. And when it passes, who are you beyond that office?
Nandeskana bako mikusaidi.
Ya yembe onera. Onesi mema toko nyoro montago kwa ego kumenga ki network yasira.
Bamburi wakabuna kwa usikiro ke kabana ba.
Lakini mono njuge sieki ya bosan bodi bwana bantu bana. Tuanje ndiliyo ka runo gwanda na hii.
Na kesiasa wana ngiro bereti kochimutwa.
Now, I fought the kama yako PDP. Ya so miriga radio minto na ke. Gato kure mera bantu mugono, ego tuare mera ngao. Omugano mbato mutambe. For people not to anegero, mugero ya kaya jasi na jaji tega wana lakini PDP na wakati noere. Ngaka cha odia mutato minto paka ebe yasio bikanya. And religious lego na soka kabatika 300 million in the account. Ngane gonna sign off onyemba koramba ko so mali na banta madro cha babu ade scandal kabanga scandal kale. Hakuna ama professional accountant kabatika vitao bili. Ngacha ka URP. Ngolenga na Ruto William Musani wana mono. Yari peka aje kamaji na tubili bakantige para iko. Kwa tetoso na vidi batanga bona ayabona bosina bakemule. That's the talk they have. Kiana garatu ora to atabanga rainya chabo uri presidency. Raira atatanga wakisingwa mkuru ngapi. Bono bochingo bura mutatu kusirika kia bo. Aya tukachaka ngaswa UDA unanye chaketa bonchari anga emyokigo bana kama ali na dawa ngara kuba ora to ise nige kia bakenengero into the demes moko and those. My vision before I die, you want to think under mugusi obeda second. Whether it's me or somebody else, lakini provide a platform mugusi mtabe somewhere.
Na yungo trese kia mage PDP.
Tali kioka. Tuone toigwana ni members biagusi. I'm also inviting, we have already unatoka kwa na bono higa. Uwachi coalition ni satu. Kenya Kwanza pre-election. Azimio pre-election. Taifa Democratic Coalition post-election.
Yeah.
It's a party of PDP, Kenya National Congress, and Kenya Social Congress who came together Busima, bakaweka na hamo, aba chumpi waliba UDA bale wajogoba na minority leadership, taifa ikaira. Obu wansumboro, asobo mbubu biyama. Right? Lakini kwa sabira hika kucha kamono ya.
Yetenere na moske
Ombachi in the county assembly, of course, the parties remain the same.
Then somebody
Mamsio Maraj. So, alia, obu wansumboro asikema. Kangabono, kere mechano yuti kutusumbo busika igere utusumbuete kagumotaka wa whipped from UD headquarters. Wonto denga ki tatoba tuaba loko.
Ono whipping ye kobaroko.
Loko whipping. Ekagarabono.
Ekagaro ku Benjamin Gisore.
Gisore ya na chamane kwende yo na Charles Mogara kaba secretary and thank you. Into my party leaders we were just patrons of this particular thing. Bone obu bisina bu. Tuarangeria bantu misati na muraina na CP PPOI PPOA kiama ki asare secretary tomote vya so ema tuarangeria we have been discussion na ba kamande buna bono gavana Nyamira na chairman ya Kisesa. We have had a meeting to currency to kwandre we are agreeing aki bono utware gusie kama omugusia to konyoro yo mogo soko gisiko tanya an konyora bantu bana bako chokoso si PDP and baso moroba gusi baba beso bekasget to kwere ma twenzi yamo utoi class to atebire nga muna inche manso ntwale kupingana ko machikura ntwale korana lakini me tell you onye Ruto ho kwana na Raila lero nki manso ni mito akwana ko ingi to akwana kengero minto ingi kama Kenya libo sekere sema ya UPA ase kere owned by Matiang'i. So akiranga toko regenteke. In fact, uri uchukuri chikura cha presidency. Igare ne faide nene asoko nyoro ese tu amwarire mukeka korara akire uchigoro. One, ndiko ligi presidency. No. Wanyengo ligi roko mongo boso center bona bori abantu bakongira bakabara nane bawo chibakara kasi burunge monko onye bako. Even if I don't get, so long as base encourage you ya foundation coalition no mugusi. Tosi kuna intulimo. Ekiagara musomindo.
Yamaskana lengo tutana ndetu, na lengo
makake. Thank you. Biamontata na bosi kwangi yori btata. Katwarange ngakiri na muga kanyasha tuarange twezi. Wa musumbikiana. Ogotara msimu yomo minister, you get what you want.
Ama itenga we maiga ya umbaro na 8.
Nane. Gusitwa ntu ziri moto nyo cha bishya ndona tutari utaso okorere. Matu agedelimo tugataba ngatokonyere segitari para igatwa. Bona kraba tuaje matanga yo pore abantu bakorera ngaki bajume ngawo twauriruge ndoki. Astrip. Ngopori kaya renge Quran. You should be telling us ngaki bona ngentoko batulire twatagete run away in time Boeing 707 nekugwa na batarato. Strip ya rengo teyo. I mean, I told them you are playing games. Ninki tujali. Inga bono kamura baba usi mbama itenga turam amase. We are telling them today we are not going to have business as usual. Ayo wotranta na odiemo na ante bono ya gatwa kama amakomo. Goto kubori na ki to ya shaya itokia gacha kwana otabi na ki.
Share sibi.
Isa njiro. Omuntu oguru kingi ikare senta speaker bachimbe kusimbabe. Weta abasinita yamo ero tente gari. Mutua obutwa oirana ingi ekyami ya chapu chapu mane chapu chapu. Oyonde kuria obutwa ogo advisor. Ase ngari gere shares. Osoro shares gyabwato majogo abutwa angaheta ngangare bono mwa. Osoro pata shares. Mwaka simba na rano otabire byo na rango no chagiro ko bya igataba ngaki nabona business things go business usual no pia into what onye to go moyo ayanjuma to wadene ma na to kwerere ma to le amo oyo kuruzu kana mingi ato lendera go so to ko ligwa boko na basandi ba to ko rusu tato ko basa to ko ligwa boko oyo ndage gusingere otaba ngaki ngangidira abantu bomutaka kure omurumba abo chiko mugorokeri umuchi abana bali kubiyara umuchi rwa chiko gorokya bali kurugwa bawo
nabo umuchi uri
bono ndakabatenga ki takobe ka bana bwebe ngambu chakaboma. And we are saying we mansondo yogo ya mwaya omingo magara Kenya Social Congress mwaka musikemati yangu wetera sebe jadibo we have agreed to tusikulimo to share ya ito ntona ko muchezo buchire and that's what we must stop. Naende ono murayo okwana ngantu bwate barai usimba ndikora. I think it's an insult. Gona ya gwada kanyokombo sare kwa mugibyanyo kwa mu by'abantu. It's a shame. Nabantu ngakinga mugiste okuhamba uranyana kuhamba abandi bakubona iko akara bakuri gichukura abari ngachintakana. It's truly a shame. I'm embarrassed kubakwana uri abarabo kera mbali worth speaking about.
Na abono mheshimiwa se ngole ngilibo lyo mwa eli kabiri kyo mwa eli tujo kodera na se nsema ya family gaga to kwana isiko ya bisto tige family na arona bakonya ngatwa mochira kaigo igoro ya family yao nkyora nyako bago kwana bone yao muna yo manyene chemso mingo magara.
You have a very, very supportive wife. Uyo ba matunda. For children.
And to go ngutwa.
Amange to go. For children and one of them are through school. They made metra to Gabia, not begin school Biego. Metra to Gabia. I want to work among a number of Monica or not engage Gadia, Banabakabane. Ababenge Siro, I could go and Baba and Mama. There was some time when the police go in and out. Remember, your Granada got to understand in the Germany PSC. When you're honoring about 5 years, you can't put in a daddy. No, I think she was 7 years. Come on, daddy. You know, it's good to be a politician, yes. But the other day you were in Canada, then you went to the US. Then I'm told, then you came back, went to England. And I was parking Chianga and Mombasa, and you go report to your public accounts committee. Now you're going to Mombasa. And I know for sure from Mombasa, you will go to Kisii. But you're never home. Actually, what I did, Langat was the vice chair. We didn't talk about the vice chairs, but you appoint. But Langat, I have an emergency here, whichever report you write, I will endorse it. I have to give them time. There's nothing that beats quality time. Nothing beats quality time of your children. Well, my wife will be supportive. I think we have had a good time. Even when I walk with me and watch, I'm out to joke and you book and talk with them in the hammer to your born. And of course, I had a good parents. I want to really remember my dad.
Na abu no to gukorera na sense moyo mweli kwa kuona nga omusomi no nagota TV ndo bitatu byegesho ibi nari ko bagakara ko kana into bimanya no li oli TV yakatemba bimanya na ari gusembenya ko mukonya nsema ndi gusenda.
I had good parents, and both of them arrested, and all of them are very good friends of mine. Lakini nkonyoro mwako minto mwaka hospital, a great man. Even though we every time we sat together over a meal, to kuragara go saba to go saba bitatu. Na mbaye mo abana bane muri burimo. Fact, uri burimo to koigutra. Ikori bugumuragire. What it means is ongene ribono utabuka burimo buria engabano muntu kure mengoro utubengoro ria ukore mengoro ende. So you like running ukumnyoka gutama mbara ngari o to mutanga mbara ngati gutiga. Number 2, to nywa marua to tinda. Lakini onyo gutakonyo kanyira kiyonta binga to gutinda. Lakini ko manyete iga kukunywa yamo yakabere gwase gwede yakabere gotane yakana yatana engiya gotane yaga kutinda. Goso kontenga to gutinda diario kanyu. But if you know you can't, and for sure you never do, please don't touch. The worst and the most painful one akamakyomo alio liaki kula ya haramu. A year fashionable in this country today, and I'm ashamed to say it. Obosoku yani nga kila muntu akutaokebo yude yani kuosha kila muntu muosho mmoja. And used to give an example ngabono yana buri bana banega ekero kuwa chire nayo okugambe obure mugabu mukamu buru muabu muntu abu akakure atiko murubure no meta bana badina abo mugakoyo boboke mu muabo murumba okure na kwaje kugamba jombe mukungu akaje ngabona mako matiko mungina yeke na kyaona gwaso yete ngachisinji miberabu idenchi ko kugambire kina keria you know munginta bwatikenda hakora omuke tuwane irali osiri one shilingi 150 ya tranyo rega 200 ogana so muno mata ga gasikunyuma ori okonyoga bwesi ko chinda kereri misuri ori okindi basa gusira keta umutako muchwa kwa musabana ndi shilingi shinda 50 oichuriria korentere mwaka mayakori naki kama kubekenda gere mesa abandu bawo baragere usijinde waka nefisi mbaya tamatembo
kwa kana bagendera
bago itapi abongo bako besmith. So magana yatato akankonya, and I thank him. When I see the issue of corruption in this country, it's a shaming. Also kumboro, and we are calling out the leaders. And I want to echo the Gen Zs who stood up to tell the guys that, oh, please, King, you are naked. And you treat the symptoms of Gen Z, the wound is still open. When it plays back, it won't be a pleasant scene. We better watch and change. And we must change, we must not change, we'll be changed by force.
Uya mono kigima Senator Omingo Magara, china bongo koroka Senator koran Senator.
Akara konge bisi bitato minto sembon kiere buja. Ya sainaro.
Uya mono senga jogo twalika ni asenga yao na twagokire sana asenga jogo twalika na ande kwasibukire bwatara ira mange obasemi bwanyaka babokanda uchisiko gali. Se omwanju murigereri nero gokire nandai wishinga nyandi twali gutwara chinza chinyingi akaigonyerenda mangana iga yetibi atari ko chatwara ngabono moire chinza giteiga abo mangana ali ngama kuri nane to tokoligia sayande omwanju murigana madana gatanga ki musike magara mangana ratigari tinza chinega nangamente chinga kijinto yako batogo koligia na twagokire sana senga jogo twali gani senga yao omwanju murigereri abo natokorera moroberi bweri tukolia lero isiko ya BC ndigo togosoka kuba BC twende isiko ya BC twekaransa isiko ya BC twakonde isiko ya BC na lero ngo twalenge na omo senator gosoye ngolige kerokyo senator ase county ya Kisii omujumba mukuru we bunge ya South Mugirango omuzike cha Msio Mingo Magara asenga ya gotoka chinsemo chanya tike ward ya tabaka bunge ya South Mugirango magiga ya chikamera nduka magiga ya chikamera ko Josephat Sungura na boigo Eric Abuga incheni ngongoro ku Haruni Ototo nyangiri yenda gokera emerobelimi ya ase egetaseni kia wanjete kia Getembe TV ekionga kia mamugusi.
This March on Star Times, enjoy non-stop drama, romance, and intrigue. Renew your subscription to enjoy intense battles in a fight for survival on Gangs of Manila. The gripping tale of fate on Wild Heart.
I loved you so much.
Heartwarming power of dreams on Hands on the Dream. Love against all odds on Soulmates. The flutter of love at first sight on Eclipse of the Heart.
You've also become the queen of my heart.
Renew your subscription today to never miss a moment of the best of global dramas on your Star Times decoder. Download the Star Times On app to enjoy unlimited entertainment anytime, anywhere. Star Times. Enjoy digital life.
Shah Ceramics ni gubago kwa a special offer. Bunno iga asachi tile au nokugora. Chikaton emeronge tato ni gokwa growth kilo isato bosa. Gokora chikaton meronge tano ni gokwa kilo isano na isato bosa. Gokora chikaton emerongo etano ne tato ni gokwa kilo emerongo ebere bosa otarigwa kanera kende. Size endonse. Niko okoegwa eye asichi brando bego chinde chonspe. Chi wall tile, kitairi chance. Na boigo chi tile chia 40 by 40 kose 60 by 60. Samange bakire simese number 0703-943972. Ajira gocha aseduka yabere Gansons Plaza. Angana Quick Mart Kisi opposite Mucha Place.
HK International